today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money selling guided journal printables for students, even if you're starting from scratch, have no audience, and don't consider yourself a designer. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, where we teach creators, coaches, and online entrepreneurs how to build real sustainable income with digital products, email marketing, and simple systems that scale. Now, students, especially high school and college students, are constantly looking for tools to help them stay on top of school, reduce stress, and stay organized, especially during exam season, finals, or when college applications hit. And guess what? You can turn simple printable journals into products that help them do exactly that while earning you passive income in the background. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through what kinds of student journals actually sell, how to design them in Canva, where to list them for sales, how to build your email list with freebies, and how to use platforms like Pinterest and TikTok to drive traffic for free. Let's get into it. So why this works. The student market is massive. Let's start off with why this niche is such a smart one. Students are always actively searching for study tools, time management systems, mental health support, gratitude and mindset journals, and ways to stay focused. Your guided journals become a low-cost, low-effort tool they can use every single day. And when it's designed specifically for their lifestyle and pain points, they'll see it as valuable, not just another planner. Step number 1, decide what kind of journal to make. Before you open Canva, you want to pick a very specific problem to help with instead of a generic student journal. Make something that solves one challenge early. Here are some proven ideas that sell well on Etsy and Gumroad. First off, academic/study planners. So weekly or monthly study planners, exam countdown calendars, time blocking templates for finals, assignment checklists. Then we've got mindset and stress journals. So daily reflection prompts for burnout, gratitude journals for college students, self-care challenge printables, focus and productivity checklists. Then we've got more application support. So think college application tracker, scholarship goal setting workbook, essay brainstorming and revision log. Your goal is to make a journal that feels like a support system for students, something they can lean on to feel more in control and way less stressed. Step number 2 is to create the journal in Canva. If you've never used Canva before, it's something that I use every single day. If you want to check them out and follow along, use our exclusive link in the description below. So now it's time to actually build the product. So once you click that link in the description, you can go ahead and choose a plan. I will say they do have a free plan, which is great. I personally use the Canva Pro and I use it every single day. So the main differences are the storage amount. So this is something that you definitely will need pretty early on, but it's not something if you want to just try it out. And then another thing that I really use is the remove backgrounds in a click, and resize a design is also something I use a lot. Also, the brand kit section as well is, again, something that I use a lot if you want to have brand cohesiveness. But again, if you want to just check them out for now and follow, use the Canva free plan. Okay, so now we are going to navigate to the templates and we'll just type in planner. So we can use something like this, or we can even type in to be more specific. Okay, so now maybe we want to use something like this. We can customize the template. If there are things that are specific to students that you know really well, make sure you use it. So maybe we want to do something like gratitude journal for students. So we can just go ahead and type it in. If we want to be even more specific, we could do gratitude journal for high achieving students. Okay, we can center this up, and maybe this is where we add something on a little bit about it. Welcome, who's this for, how it can help you. Maybe this is just a daily journal. So here you can see we've got the date, the daily gratitude, daily affirmation, daily goals, daily challenge. Maybe we want to also add a time blocking section. So what we can do is even go and search other time blocking if we want to copy and paste something over, or we can make it directly from our brain. Whatever you want to do. If you feel more creative, you can do that. If not, we can go ahead and see what else there is. I like this one. So we'll come in here. We're obviously not going to copy everything, but we can just copy, remove all this so I can easily drag and copy this. I honestly like that too. Then we can go ahead and add it right here. I'm going to group this together and we'll pull it up. Then all of this we can also bring up. Okay. And then from here, this is where we can design everything, right? So you can add, maybe we like this background. We can add that there. Go ahead and duplicate. Again, this took a few minutes to create something that someone can use every single day, right? So they come in here, they do their daily gratitude, affirmation, goals, they add the date, obviously, and then they come in here and time block their day so they know exactly what they need to do. So maybe gratitude isn't the right name for this, but gratitude and productivity journal for students, right? So again, come in here, use what you need to, drag and drop images, make it fun, make it your vibe. If you are are on the upgraded plan, you can use your brand colors, fonts, everything like that, but just have fun with it and make it unique to you. Just as a design tip, you want to make it printer friendly, or you want to offer a digital version that's compatible with something like GoodNotes or Notability. You can go ahead and export as a PDF for printing or an interactive PDF for digital use. You can also include both versions in your offer if you'd like. Or once your journal is completely done, you can go ahead and click download, and then you can change this to PDF standard for emailing or PDF print for printing. Step number 3 is to price it to sell and upsell smart. So honestly, students are always budget conscious, but they'll spend on things that help reduce stress and improve performance. So you can use pricing like $4.99 for a simple 5 to 10 page journal, $7 to $12 for bundles or themed packs, and then maybe $17 for full productivity or planner kits with bonuses. What you can do as an upsell idea is to offer a bonus pack of quote pages or calendar inserts, or you can include digital stickers or exam mode templates. You also can add a GoodNote version for $2 more. You can create seasonal bundles, so back to school, midterm, summer reset, stuff like that. Platforms like Gumroad and Ko-Fi let you create upsells or tip-based bundles with 0 monthly fees. Or if you want more control and email automation, use ConvertKit or System.io to deliver the product and offer a follow-up mini course or bundle sale. Step number 4 is to sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Ko-Fi. You don't need your own website to sell digital journals anymore. Here are 3 beginner platforms. So Etsy is best for organic traffic and search-based discovery. Great for keywords like student planner, printable exam tracker, mental health journal for college. You can add mock-ups, screenshots, and keyword tags. Etsy does take a small fee, but it gives you exposure to millions of buyers. If you want to go ahead and check out Etsy, use the link in the description below. Next is Gumroad. So this is best for direct sales and creator-friendly funnels. Then there's also Ko-Fi, which is perfect for creators who want a lightweight shop. There's no listing fees, and it's great for offering printable guides or low-cost one-offs. Step number 5 is to grow an email list with a free sample. I highly recommend using Kit, which is formerly known as ConvertKit. If you want to follow along, go ahead and use the link in the description below. So first off, why we want an email list? It's to build long-term income, not just one-off sales. You need an email list, and students love freebies. So maybe create a 1-page sample from your journal, like a printable daily reflection sheet, a mini gratitude page, a time blocking grid that they can reuse, then offer it in exchange for their email. Again, you can use things like System.io, Flowdesk, or Kit, like we're going to go ahead and check out right now. Once you click that link, you can get started with the free trial. So you'll want to create an account or log in if you already have one. So it's going to ask you a couple questions. So you can go ahead and enter in a couple of things, entrepreneur. So we can nurture our audience by sending weekly emails as like a newsletter, or you can create a form. There's so much that you can do with email marketing, but what I would recommend is having a form with some sort of lead magnet or free option, and then send weekly emails just to educate, have your audience get to know you a little bit better. So let's go ahead and we can go to automate. So you can do a welcome subscribers, release a new podcast, release a new book, pitch your book with a free chapter. There's so much here. So welcome subscribers to your newsletter. What you can do is in the very first email, you actually send the freebie, and then that will put them into a funnel where, again, you can nurture them. You can tell them a little bit about you, tell them a little bit about why you started your business. Again, all of the background info. So here we can go to grow and then landing pages, and this is where you can create a landing page. So you can do a form or a landing page, whatever you would like. Probably have to do a landing page unless you have a website. And then here is where you can create a newsletter, and it can say something super simple, like grab your free student reflection sheet to help you reduce stress, stay focused, and finish your work week strong. And then once they opt in, maybe you give them a discount to your pay journal. So with email marketing, you can also invite them into a study support email series or promote your planner bundles or upcoming products. This turns your audience into a community and gives you consistent income over time. Again, if you want to check out Kit, we've left our exclusive link in the description below. Step number 6 is to use Pinterest and TikTok to drive traffic. You don't need to run ads to make this work. Pinterest and TikTok are the 2 best platforms for driving free, consistent traffic, especially for student content. On Pinterest, you can create pin graphics using Canva, use keywords like study planner, exam tracker, printable, college application journal, pin at least 5 to 10 times per week with links to your Etsy or Gumroad page. Use vertical pins with text overlay, mock-ups, and short benefits benefits. Pinterest works well for searchable evergreen content, and your pins can drive traffic for months or years. On TikTok, you can share journaling tips, productivity hacks, or how I stay organized during finals. Use sounds that are trending in the student productivity space. Show a day in the life using your journal without making it an ad. You also can end with, "You can grab this in my bio if you want to try it out." So selling guided journal printables for students is one of the easiest, lowest cost ways to start making money online, and it actually helps people in a meaningful way. With tools like Canva, Gumroad, Etsy, and ConvertKit, you can launch a real digital product business in a weekend and turn it into a sustainable side hustle that grows months after months. You don't need to go viral. You just need to solve a small problem really well and give students a tool that makes life feel a little lighter. If you want to try out any of these tools I mentioned, every link is down below, and those are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use them, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. This channel, Side Hustle Mastery, is here to help you build real scalable online income using digital products, email marketing, and simple repeatable systems, so you can stop trading time for money and start building freedom on your own terms. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.